Hi guys, Martin the Vlogger here, and today episode number 5, how we rebuild this Canam Spyder F3 Limited Special Series. It's a bike that is for our tour and rental agency, so I'm throwing in upgrades that are worth something like 5 or 6 grand. Why we are doing it, what type of upgrades, what are the alternatives, what is good, what is bad, all of this you will find out in these episodes. And why I'm doing it for our tour and rental agency, toursontree.com, this way, because I do business differently. My vision, my dream was to give to guests. Most of our guests are owners of Spyders or Rikers, and my vision was I want to give my guests same bike as they have at home, just better. So anyway, enough of this bullshit. The wrap, it's over. Let me show you how we have done it. Let me show you how we have finished the wrap, and then on to more upgrades. So enough of this bullshit. Let's get started. So this is how we have finished the wrap, and let me know in the comments, what do you think? For me, yeah, I love the wrap. One of my, if not the most favorite at the moment, apart from the Beast. Beast is the Beast, but I love it. I nailed it. I'm genius. I know that. As you can see, I'm already standing next to a next upgrade. Armrest kit for the passenger. First time we have used it for F3 Limited. We have it on RTs. And actually, this is how it's done. In case you would like to find more installation videos, just visit MartinTheVlogger.com, the largest blog and vlog about canam on-road vehicles, or scroll through my YouTube channel, subscribe, like, have the notifications on, you know, all these things. What is good, what is bad, and what is a little bit of nightmare for tour and rental agency. Good. What is good? They're very comfortable, absolutely comfortable. Oh, I love them. I think they are, can I say it about armrests? They're the best looking armrests on the bike, on the Can-Am you can buy. Even though for me armrest is more like it's almost like a geriatric thing, but they look good. And with this one, they fit. It's black on black and it somehow fits good. So great quality, quite adjustable because you can higher them, lower them a little bit, move to the front, move to the back, and they can rotate inside outside. So that's a great thing. They are comfy, good. Downside, we have them on RTs and it's not a big issue because you have big floorboards. But here, going on a bike like this, it will become a nightmare for many riders. So you will need to go through the floorboards like this. I mean, if you're fine with that, good. But in tour and rental business, if we have a solo rider, that's the reason we're gonna have it only on one bike. And if we will have a solo rider, we will most probably need to remove them all the time. That means extra work. Next thing, it's actually this rubber thing. We have them on RT, so I know how they act. And if you have a jacket, if your passenger has a jacket that is more like harsh, like you have those fillings here or stitchings that are quite, you know, like drastic, you will wear that bloody rubber, and then it will look a little bit shitty after some time. So that's something I don't like. And then the last thing is the price. Close to 500 without tax, 400 something. Of course, you can buy it on MartinTheVlogger.com/shop. But I always say, if you own this bike, it's like you have bought a monkey, right? And if you have bought a monkey, you need to have money for bananas. So good, but with some limitations. And actually, I will go for a ride, and I can, you know, I will try this. I'm well-sized dude, and I can imagine myself riding on the highway with cruise control on, just like this. Yeah, I can imagine, like, there are tall people that can do that. It's pretty comfy. Anyway, on to the next upgrade. Of course, we are installing backrest. I'm getting old. I love this upgrade. So we are using different backrests, and I will get to you about this in a minute. What are the differences between backrest that we have? Which one is my preferred one? And actually, in terms of installation, we don't need to record a separate video about this, because remove the passenger seat. I recommend to remove the rider seat, put the bracket in, tie it with bolts, put everything back. So yeah, backrest, another geriatric upgrade. Couple of tips, differences, good things, bad things. Apart from look, I don't think there is any really negative to a backrest. I love the upgrade. The Beast, I don't think it will have a backrest anytime soon, but if I can ride around the city, I choose bikes from Tour and Rental, and one of the reasons is because I have a backrest. Good, never said that. Tip about the backrest is that we have two different types of backrests. So before you buy, if you can try it somewhere, we have all of them installed basically, and our customers can come and try. But the OEM is like curvish. It goes around you. Yeah. Now then we have aftermarket from Showchrome, and it's more like bulky. So it's more like it pushes your back further, so, or forwards. So these are the differences, and that's my tip. Like, make sure you try those if you can on some meetings, events, whatever, because it's quite important. Tip is, don't forget that they are adjustable. And this OEM, for example, we keep size 5 with us all the time. So you can go, if you tight it, it goes more to the back, vice versa, it goes more to the front. And my top tip is, of course, we cannot do it in Tour and Rental Agency because we have different guests, but use tiny bit of Loctite and secure the bolt so it doesn't, you know, bounces out, and it's always in the same position, and you have your sweet spot there. Yeah, guys, today episode, it's a little bit shorter. We have finished the wrap, we have talked about armrests, we have talked about backrest, and now we are coming to an end. The episodes are finishing, so stay tuned, because next time we will finally talk about the sway bar. For sure we will need to do that, and we will go for a rear shock. So that's on to-do's list, and we will just do some tiny last upgrades like top cuff and stuff, and the bike will be ready to go for the first tour, real tour of the season. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. In case you like what I do, subscribe, like, have the notifications on, and remember, Visit MartinTheVlogger.com/shop, your #1 place in the world for Can-Am Spyder, Riker and Canyon parts. Buy something or not, it's your call, but always have fun.